Join us in the enchanting city of Istanbul, where East meets West, to celebrate Metfi DAO's second anniversary from May 18 to May 22, 2024. Ocean Summit 2 is coming to one of the world's most stunning cities, historically known as Constantinople. Following on from the tremendous success of our first Ocean Summit in Dubai, we're setting ourselves to make an impactful splash in another stunning part of the world. Immerse yourself in a magical 4-day experience featuring pre-event activities in Istanbul, indulging in Turkish culinary delights, and savoring the taste of Turkish sweets. Enhance your leadership skills with 2 days of world-class training seminars. Learn from the best speakers, renowned for their expertise, who will guide you on your journey to achieving the success you aspire to. The gala party will be a night of celebration, friendships, and dancing, honoring you and your team's achievements. Are you aiming for the stars? Qualify for one of the exclusive VIP Platinum Passes, a privilege that cannot be purchased, only earned. We promise that your VIP Platinum Pass will take you to the heights of euphoria and back. Ocean Summit 2 promises to surpass our inaugural event in both grandeur and spectacle. Prepare for awards and prizes that will astonish you. Secure your ticket today or qualify for free to join the must-attend event of 2024 and celebrate Metfi DAO's second anniversary celebration. See you in magical Istanbul.